Friends, think about it. What is the most valuable thing in this world? Money? A car? Gold? No. If you lose these, you can get them back. But once you lose time, it can never be returned. Time is the greatest asset in life, and successful people know how to value it. You may be thinking now, hey, there is a lot of time ahead. I'll start tomorrow. But remember, there is no such thing as tomorrow. There is only today. As long as you delay, you are actually falling behind. People who have grown in life have made the most of every second of their time. And those who have wasted time, only regrets remain in their lives. Listen to a story. There was a student named James. Although he was very talented, he had a big habit: doing everything tomorrow. He decided to start studying today, but said, okay, let's check my mobile first, then I'll study. When tomorrow came, he said again, I don't feel like it today. I'll start tomorrow. Days passed, months passed, the exam day finally arrived. Then James got tense. One day, his father called him and gave him a watch. His father said, if you can stop this rock, you can have as much time as you want. James was surprised and said, Dad, how is that possible? Does the clock ever stop? Then his father said, no, Dad, time waits for no one. You can't stop it if you want. You can only use it. If you respect time, time will respect you one day. These words were engraved in Akash's mind. From that day on, he decided it's not too late. He started studying regularly every day, planning his time. The result? Within a few days, he was ahead of everyone. Friends, this story is not just James, it's all of ours. We also think every day, not today, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. If you really want to do something big in life, want to fulfill your dreams, then you have to value time from today. Remember, if you lose money, it will come back again. But if you lose time, it will never come back. So start from today. Value your time, plan, and make the most of every moment. Because those who respect time, time will respect them one day.